Hi everyone, how are you? My name's Chef Luigi. Welcome. Just to let you know, we're gonna make a Napolitan style pizza. So we do our homemade pizza dough, which we use the caputo flour. It is it's made daily. We try to make it one day before so the dough can rest and just comes out beautiful. So here is the pizza dough. We have our amazing Chicago brick oven, wood fire oven. We're bringing here. This pizza is called pico arancia, which we're gonna do the mozzarella, right? Put all over the pizza dough, okay, as much as you like. Then we add a little bit of the fresh mozzarella. Okay, it's called ovoline, which also are made here in house. And then we do the fig that I infused with the Calabria pepper, which is excellent. So if you like a little spicy, sweet, and tangy, this is the pizza to do. It's an amazing product. Okay, once you put a little bit, you put a little bit more. Okay, once the pizza dough is ready, you add everything. I always like to add a little bit of Parmesan. Little fresh bit of Parmesan right on top. Okay, you bring it to the oven. Here it is. Okay, and then you just slowly, gently pop it right on. There it is. There is the first pizza that we're trying. As you can see, once you start turning the sides, the crust starts to get nice and crispy. That's when you know that the pizza is almost ready. If you want to make sure you throw it in, you make sure all of the sides get all nice and crispy.